go, ladies and gentlemen. 40 riders on the line, lining up. The fastest four-stroke riders in the entire western United States. Let's make some noise for the four-stroke pro riders. Here we go. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Moto number 1, round 3. Look at this start as the riders come out of the gate. Who's it going to be? Smale, 3-time reigning champion of the AMA Western Four-Stroke Nationals. And a look at this, 2 champions out in front right now, Smale and Walters, 1 and 2. And look good.
Lance Smale, the rubber band man, with the whole shot.
Drove all the way from California following this series. Bo Barron riding the Honda this year, finishing up 17th overall. Bo, what did you think about this track out here?
I loved it. It was awesome. I love the sand. It's bitching. All the turns are perfect. Everything was good. Nice day today.
Bud Walters comes out here and finishes 2nd overall on the day. You know something? We didn't have to ever think we was going to see that, man. You've been winning all these rounds out here and showing everybody your back. Tell me about your motos today.
Yeah, it went pretty good. The bike worked really good. I want to thank my mechanic, Ted. He did a great job. Had 2 really good starts and had a little misfortune. The first moto I crashed and, hung on to 3rd. And then the second moto, I felt strong. And my teammate, Paul Carpenter, rode really good, passed me towards the end. And, I just tried to hang as tough as I can and ended up 2nd.
Awesome, man. It's nice to have you come out here, and we'll see you at round number 4. What do you think this guy, national number 9, coming out of the four-stroke nationals, rode the 250 nationals last year, come out here and takes the overall win? Incredible. Sean, what do you think about your race today?
It was great. Everybody, thanks for coming out. The track was awesome. Everybody, like I said before, thanks a lot. The track was great, and look forward to coming back next year.
What made you come up to this round?
Just kind of got thrown into it and having fun.
Right on. Do you think we're going to see you back?
Definitely.
Right on. Well, we'll present this plaque, and thank you very much for coming. And here's your top 3 guys to the round 3 of the AMA Four-Stroke Nationals here in Boise, Idaho.